What's the best chocolate brownies recipe ever? I'm Marianne Manas, third-generation Swiss chocolatier, and I'm going to share with you my crazy delicious brownies recipe. Away from my kitchen in LA, we're coming to you from Flims in the Swiss Alps. Let's go. Yeah, I know, you should use a double boiler, but I shortcut it. Trick is to use low heat and do not walk away from the pan. Start with melting the butter and then add the chocolate. Keep it moving with a rubber spatula. Since I didn't find a 60-ish% chocolate at the supermarket, I mixed a 50%er and a 70%er. Done and done. Look at that pretty view. All in the bowl. Whole eggs, sugar, a pinch or two of salt and vanilla. Rest goes overboard. I prefer using vanilla sugar or vanillin. Just like it better than the liquid. Yep, total sugar explosion. Use a higher bowl. Just wanted you to see the pretty mix. Oh well. There you go. Whip it until it's light in color and fluffy. Fluffy? Is that the right word? You know what I mean. When you add the melted chocolate and butter, make sure it's warm and not hot. You don't want to scramble your eggs. Lastly, add the flour. Ideally sifted, but you know, who wants another tool to wash? If you want the brownie gluten-free, use a finely ground white rice flour. Almost just as good. Seriously, most people wouldn't even realize. Pour this deliciousness into a form lined with parchment paper. This always reminds me of my mom. She first started making brownies when I was a kid. Nothing like mama's cooking. Wiggle, wiggle. Just let me do it one more time. That is so damn good. I preheated the oven to 400 Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius. Every oven is different, but after about 16 minutes, check with a knife or a knitting needle. I want my brownie lush, so only just no batter sticking to the knife. Use a skinny knife to cut the brownie. Oh God, this smells spectacular. Of course, I can't help myself. I have to scrunch a little bit of this piping hot brownie, even if I wreck it a little. There you have it. Lush, moist, and with a delicate crunchy top. Texture and flavor heaven. The full recipe is in the descriptions below. If you enjoyed this video, I'd super appreciate a like and a subscribe. See you soon for the best chocolate, everything.